Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Instagram for business with HubSpot. So to start with, you first want to go over to Google and just type in how to use Instagram for business with HubSpot. Now the first link you will see is this HubSpot link, and you just want to go ahead and click on this. And here's where you can actually get a free Instagram for business kit. So you can learn how to get followers, build your audience, navigate algorithm updates, and measure success with this free Instagram for business kit from HubSpot. So it has everything you need to get started with Instagram. It has 22 free Instagram posts and story templates. It has a what, when, and how to post on Instagram to get followers fast section. It has a featured chapter from Instagram expert Jen Herman on how to use Instagram algorithms to your advantage. So you can learn how to use hashtags, so you get to learn the best practices, the tips, and a full glossary of common hashtags to use. You get some tips to help you develop your Instagram Reels strategy, and it can help you set goals, measure success, and provide value of Instagram to your executives. And that's just a small portion of what's actually included in this file. So how do we actually get this book? So to start with, you first want to be on this website, or you can just type in how to use Instagram for business with HubSpot and click the first link you see. And then you can click free kit here. And then here you just want to put in your details. So I'm just going to type in my name. And then you want to put in your email and phone number. And then after this, it'll ask for your website, company name, and it'll ask how many people work for you. And then from there, you'll get redirected to the ebook on how to use Instagram for businesses with HubSpot. And then after you've successfully filled out those details, you will have access to HubSpot's ebook on how to use Instagram for business. So if you are a business and you're looking to use Instagram to kind of expand, this can be really useful in helping you get started. So I highly recommend everyone to download this and just check it out, because it's free anyway. You got nothing to lose. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.